Greetings and welcome. My name is Jake Race and I'm a wildlife forest garden designer, and this is setting up some bits of bamboo and string. This is all you need to do garden design, is bamboo and string. And I shall show you with the Hope Garden, which is a community assembly and a wildlife food forest garden, but I'll show you that in a second. So this is the area. I marked it out earlier. You really can't see it that clearly, but all the way up to that gate from here is 15 metres, and then it's 10 metres up to that part there. So it might have to be a little bit bigger, or there's stuff in the way, so I've kind of had to make the community assembly area quite a bit smaller. So this is bamboo and string, my favourite design tool. And you can see I'm just kind of creating a circle here. I'll get the mower out tomorrow and mow this out, and then put some paths in it as well. And then I'll get some old crates for seats. I've got half a dozen of those, so I can just use them just as kind of positionals really. And this circle here is 6 metres diameter. So the actual, I'm talking about 8 metres, but that needs a bit more space, a bit more width. So probably 12 metres wide by 15 metres. So I need to check with RHS Hampton Court about I think that's going to be fine, because they've got plenty of space there. So it's going to be 12 metres by 15 metre garden. And there we go. So that's the outline for it. So it's actually a big old space. So you can just imagine this divided into 3 main quadrants, and then a couple of people stood over at that end, and at the top, over the top of it, keeping it super simple, this will be a telegraph pole, probably going up to taller, possibly 3 metres, and then on the corner of each from the telegraph pole, on the corner of each piece of the canvas, there'll be a bit of a chestnut stake, probably 2 metres high, to allow it to get underneath. So it's going to be fairly high but quite steep canvas roof. So that's stuff to play around with, and that should cover this area here. So there'll be another telegraph pole at the end there as well. So you can just imagine a canvas sheet coming down here. So there we go. So obviously this is just a prototype. I'm just kind of playing around with the actual space and seeing how it all fits together. But that gives you an idea, and just ticking over with ideas. And yes, there we go. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.